they gather, feathers glowing in the sun. Little songs and playful chatter while the day has just begun. They flutter, they sway, they sing, no worries in their wings. I sit beneath the shade and smile. They dance through golden springs. Oh, birds in the afternoon, you carry the breeze, you hum a tune so free, so light, so unaware of all the way we humans bear. You remind me how to breathe, to let go, to just believe in simple joys and skies so wide, and peace that lives where hearts reside. A nest above a gentle breeze leaves whisper secrets through the trees. I watch them chase the fading light, their laughter echoing in flight. No clocks, no plans, no race to run, just warmth and play beneath the sun. I wonder if they ever know how much they help my spirit grow. Maybe life is meant to be a song, a branch, a melody, a moment held, a breath so still, a quiet heart, an afternoon chill. Oh, birds in the afternoon, you carry the breeze, you hum a tune so free, so light, so unaware of all the way we humans bear. You teach me how to see again, to find the joy, to feel the rain, to live like you, just here, just now. No need to ask the why.